Welcome and thanks for tuning in. Norddampf is one of the most respected brands in the community, especially when it comes to herb vaporizers. Today, I'm excited to introduce the HAMMAH Vaporizer. It's available in two elegant colors, deep black and Nordic blue. This compact device is not only the most powerful but also the smallest vaporizer Norddampf has ever produced. The HAMMAH measures just 9 centimeters tall and weighs a mere 86 grams, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry around wherever you go. This herb vaporizer uses hybrid technology, combining the best of both conduction and convection. For info, conduction means the chamber heats up, while convection pushes warm air through the herbs. The glass pot system is not just one of the most flavor neutral on the market, but also extremely efficient. Filling the glass pot is easy. You just load your herbs on top, then flip the HAMMAH vaporizer upside down to lock it in place. Done. The kit also includes an additional glass mouthpiece known as the steel pot system, which we'll explore in just a bit. Thanks to its incredibly fast 30-second heat-up time, you can get your session going almost immediately without any waiting. The one-button control is very user-friendly, allowing you to power the device on and off, set the session duration, and adjust the temperature with ease. You can also instantly check the battery level with a single press on the clear display. Operating the HAMMAH is straightforward. Just press the button 5 times quickly to turn it on or off, making it convenient and efficient to use anytime. The device vibrates subtly, giving you clear haptic feedback with every interaction. To cycle through preset temperatures, just double-click the button. These temperatures rise in easy 10-degree steps from 180 to 220 degrees Celsius. To set your session time, hold the power button while the device is on and scroll through 30-second intervals from 3 to 4 minutes 30 seconds. Release the button at your desired session length and it's saved instantly, ready for your next use. As mentioned, press the button 5 times fast to turn the HAMMAH off. It's lightweight and very convenient to use. The HAMMAH Vaporizer features a 1600 mAh battery lasting 8 to 10 sessions depending on usage. It charges quickly via USB-C, so you're back to vaping fast. The glass pot holds 0.15 grams, perfect for microdosing but powerful enough to deliver dense, flavorful clouds. This makes the device a balanced mix of power, convenience and performance, ideal for any vaping session. The package really leaves nothing to be desired. You get a detailed look at the device's technical features and all the temperature options available. Now, let's take a closer look at what's included inside the box. It opens smoothly with a magnetic closure, revealing 2 manuals, one in German and one in English, along with a thank you card and a fun sticker. Here's the device itself, and right beside it, all the accessories you'll need, a USB-C charging cable, a handy cleaning brush, and a versatile multi-tool. And just as mentioned earlier, the steel pot system comes included as well, making this package incredibly comprehensive and ready to use right away. Here you have an extended glass mouthpiece with a steel pot at the end. You can easily plug it in and out and fill your herbs here. As you can see, it's a bit longer. The big plus of this longer glass mouthpiece is cooler vapor, which means better flavor. The faux leather detail makes the HAMMAH Vaporizer not just a looker, but also super portable because of its weight and size. Don't underestimate the power this device gives you. You get seriously dense clouds and pure flavor. For me, the HAMMAH Vaporizer really stands out as a herb vape like no other on the market today. I highly recommend it.